Hey, we just got poured on, but just like Florida, you wait 15 minutes and we got blue skies again. So we're back in business. Hey, we're getting set up at the Coral Springs Farmers Market. It's November 24th. We're gonna check out a couple vendors and see what's going on, find some good food, some local food. So follow along.
How is that?
Which one's the most popular?
Guacamole. Best guacamole in the world. Get your football Sunday guacamole. Free supper. Come in and try. You're going to love it. Best guac in the world.
Do you want to try focaccia?
Yeah.
Best guac in the world.
So they're all minimal ingredient and minimal sugar cookies. We use dates as the sweetener, and there's different flavors, and we try to do seasonal flavors as well.
Where else can we find you?
You can find me on Instagram and Facebook and JerseyGirlBakingCompany.com.
Any other farmers markets?
Yes, we are also at Parkwood.
Looks like some great produce.
Got a great special, man. Any 7 items, $20. Smaller carrots. No, all of them kind of big. Yeah, I can find some.
Best fresh seafood around. Independent Seafoods. Some good grouper. Sea bass. Mahi.
What if I yellow things? $14.95 a pound.
Will the highways jam with broken heroes? Last chance power drive. Everybody's out to run tonight. There's no place left to hide. Together when
In this month's subscription, we're featuring our Christmas berry, orange blossom, and wildflower. Christmas berry, wildflower, and our orange blossom. Goes right into the box.
Picture video?
happens every time we're trying to pack up. Nobody here. People say, wait, I need some honey. That's okay.